These tender and buttery chocolate cookies are filled with soft chocolate cream. The chocolate cream looks wet when the cookies are warm. When they cool down, it retains a deliciously creamy texture. So, how do you put the chocolate inside the cookies? You have to make it into a thick ganache. This way, after baking, the chocolate will remain creamy. You need whipping cream with 30% milk fat content to make the ganache. Add the whipping cream to a medium saucepan. Bring to boil over medium heat. Remove from the heat and immediately add the chocolate, broken in small pieces. Cover the saucepan with a lid. After 5 minutes, add the flavor and stir to combine. All the ingredients and quantities are listed in the description below the video. You should obtain a thick chocolate cream like this. After it's done, transfer to the refrigerator for 1 or 2 hours, or until it becomes almost solid but still a little malleable, like Play-Doh. At this point, you can scoop equal portions using a half measuring tablespoon. Place these half-sphere shapes on parchment paper and in the refrigerator for the time being. I got 32 pieces from 200 grams of chocolate and 100 grams of whipping cream. This is also how many cookies I plan to make. Now let's start to make the cookie dough. The butter was left on the counter covered by the bowl to come to room temperature. Easy to cream now with a mixer or even a spoon. When the butter becomes soft and creamy, add the eggs one at a time. Each time you add an egg, also add half of the sugar. At the end, you can add a flavor like vanilla if you like. Time to add the remaining dry ingredients: salt, cocoa powder, and flour. Mix the ingredients with a spoon or spatula first. Then you can continue with the mixer or even your hands. When the dough has formed, transfer it with the bowl in the refrigerator for about half an hour. After this time, form the dough into a cylinder approximately 5 centimeters or 2 inches in diameter. Cover with food wrap and leave in the refrigerator for another 30 minutes. Remove the cookie dough from the refrigerator and slice in 32 pieces. Each slice will be 1 cookie. To form the cookies, take 1 slice of cookie dough and place 1 chocolate ganache piece in the middle with the flat side up. Then, bring the dough towards the center with your fingers until you cover the chocolate completely. This will be the bottom of the cookie. Turn the cookie and rub the top with your palm to give it a smooth finish. If you don't use gloves, butter your hands. Place the cookies on parchment paper on a cookie tray. Bake for 14 to 16 minutes, in the oven, at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Then enjoy.